Hi, in today's video we are going to try to make an inline beer tote, and we are going to try to make it out of this one board. I say try because I already had a few failed attempts and I'll try to do better this time, so stick around. It's going to be a 4 beer caddy or tote, so first let's figure out the dimensions. Everything I do like this. I'm not doing any prep work or no SketchUp or any planning software. So let's figure out the dimensions like this. So this is 30. First, let's clean this board a little so we can work with it. Now we have two parallel edges, so we're gonna figure out how is this gonna go. Let's just see if this is going to go like I imagined. Too far away. Plan B. This is the spacing I want. So we're just gonna measure this distance and we're going to transfer it down. This will be okay. I'm trying to cut it down so it will be easier to plane because it is very warped. So wish me luck. So first cut done. Let's cut it here and then try to plane this one down and then resaw it. Hope this works. Maybe this will be okay for the handle. Let's go planing. So now we're gonna straighten up these edges because it was warped when I was sewing it. Now let's try and resaw. I'm scared shitless with this process, but no pain, no gain. Not bad. Planer to the rescue. I did better job resawing it than the last pieces that I ruined. Now let's quickly redraw what we had. Okay. Is it 9? Okay. Is it 9? Yes. So, hey, now we are going to remove the bulk of this material with the drill press. Let's secure this. Oh my god, they're too long. How is this possible? Take two. I don't have shorter screws, so we're gonna do this. Okay, nice and secure. Now, my weapon of choice. Are we gonna use this too much of the material for this. We're gonna use this. I think this will be better, safer. When you don't have the money for the decent hole saw, you have to suffer like this. But I'm not going to make you suffer with me, so I'm gonna see you when I drill this. I mean, route this out. Wanna see something? Take 2 double-sided tape. Now wish me luck. That was painful. So we got just a little bit of crack, but it will be okay. So let's continue. So let's bring this to the final dimension. Okay. I think this height will be okay. Tape measure! Oh, he's just right in front of me. So let's do this. We're gonna go 8. Or do we do 10? Like that? Maybe even better. This is 11. 11. Like this. So it will have to be somewhere 35. We'll go 35 with the side. Okay. So I made 2 sides just as I did this one, these 2. So it will be like this. Now I have to figure out where to we said 11, didn't we? Oh, I was way off. 11-ish. So we're gonna start the angle cut from here. Here to the... Maybe they're too long. We'll see. Now, when we got all the parts, let's try to put it together. Can you believe I don't have long enough clamps to clamp this? And this like this. Now we're gonna start, let's say here. So the size has to be the same, so I tape them together and let's brainstorm. We will do this in the center. 9.6, 4.8. This one is 1.6. This is 1.6. So 0.8. Okay. Yes. Okay. If we go 1 on each side, then we have to do this. And then so, this took me longer to set up than routing out the holes. Guess what degree this is? 6.5. Thank God for the very precise miter saw. Nice. Let's engrave this. Did I say engrave? I meant sand first. See you in an hour. Now everything is engraved and done, so we're gonna give it a hand sanding and assembly. Sometimes you do forget that you have a long enough clamp, so whew. Oh, yes. Really? That's a perfectly driven in screw. Nice. Now, oh, the height is okay. Like this. Yes. I thought it would need some bottom, but it doesn't. It's okay like this. Kiki, happy birthday. Let's do the finish. Of course, we're gonna use my finish. That's it. We are done. I hope my friend will be happy with it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.